Hello crafties, this is Sandra from Wallifyer.com and I create small batch graphics so you can keep your designs unique. And if you are super tired of looking generic and dull, your products, when you use, those mega store cliparts and graphics, this is the place for you because I create limited edition clip art so that you can, stand out in all the fuss and the mess online, and your products will have that unique touch. So anyway, I'm here for a short live here, and that's because yesterday, yay, the Eternal Love collection went live here in my shop, and I'm super excited about this. And I've been waiting so long to show you this collection, and I've been working really hard, and you have seen everything behind the scenes, some sneak peeks and me babbling and rambling about this collection. And it's super close to my heart as it is inspired by my grandma and my, experiences and memories from my childhood playing in her garden. And all the florals and everything, and the fairy tale style is all about, finding that uh, magical place. We all have that in our hearts. I think we all can agree that we have memories from playing in the garden, and the summer flowers and the spring flowers, and the summers were very special when you were a child or kid. Don't you agree with that? So this collection is, as I said, limited edition as usual, and it will only be available for a short period of time. And that means that your copycats and all those evil shops around the internet might not be able to grab these gems. So act fast and grab those if you want them, because poof, they are gone in a couple of weeks. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a big thank you for encouraging me, supporting me, and bringing all that love to me during the launch, because and I think you all know that it's quite a nerve-wracking time for me. Hello, Charlotte. And this was something really special, as I said, and all the graphics are hand-drawn. In this time, it's not on paper, but it's digitally drawn in Procreate, which is a program that is especially made for drawing like on paper, but digitally. And I use my iPad for this, and it's been such a fun, experience for me to create this. So anyway, it's 12 packs included in this collection, and they are perfect for creating quote art type of designs, as there are many frames as usual, floral borders, and they are all bohemian and vintage inspired. And if you are really interested in the styles and stuff, I'm an art historian as well. So it's the Art Nouveau style these illustrations are in. So this style was very it develops in the beginning or late 18th century, 19th century, early 20th century, and you see them often in fairy tale books from your childhood books, and those classics are often drawn in this style. So I hope you enjoyed it, and as I said, there are frames for quote arts, for social media posts. You can do those quotes, and you can use them in your branding as well. You can always add some text for sales and stuff, and incorporate them in your branding as well as using them in your products. And if you are interested in how to do this, I use my site as an example, so you can go there and have a look if you want to. I often change my logo for every collection. Not my logo, but I spice it up to make it cohesive with the products, and that is something you also can do if you have type or a script font type of logo. That's to say, you understand. I think you get it when you see it, at least. And you can also use them as for scrapbooking, as I added some printable pages for you as well. So if you are doing traditional scrapbooking techniques, you can print them out and cut them out with your scissors, or using some other software to cut them out in, say, machines, if you have a cutting machine or anything like that, and if you are familiar with doing that. So it's quite possible to do that as well. And as I said, quote art is something that I am really interested in myself. Before Wallifyer was this clipart boutique. It was a art printable shop. So yeah, so I get you all doing printables and such, and that's why I got so tired with not finding graphics that were unique. I always looked like everyone else, I thought. So I started creating these graphics myself. So that's why, well, Wallifyer today is a graphic design shop. So, and I'm really excited about that. And yeah, this is something I never thought I would do, but here I am. So for everyone out there who is interested in starting something as a side hustle or anything like that online, working more from home, if you're a mom per se or something else, and you want to stay more at home when your kids come home from school, you are home, everything like that, then starting a printable shop is something really fun to do. And there are so many supportive forums and classes and such that can teach you how to do this brilliantly, I promise. I'm a internet grandma myself, I feel sometimes, and if I am able to do this, so are you. But this is just if you are interested in such things, of course. But yeah, I will have to check my little agenda, because I always, forget what I'm supposed to say here, as usual, if you know me. Yeah, it's been a real fun experience, this, because Wallifyer and the Eternal Love collection has been featured in lots of media around the world, which is super fantastic. And it's all to you crafties that have helped me on social media, giving me hearts and love, and sharing my posts. And I really appreciate this, because due to this, I'm able to expand this little boutique, to be a more worldwide shop, which it now has become, which is super, super, it's quite strange in some way, because I'm a, mom living on a tiny island in the Baltic Sea, as I said, creating my graphics at home, and be able to sell them all around the world, and get media attention that I could never even imagine of be able to do from here. So while we now are renovating also our summer house, which is on a really remote island, I'm so looking forward to sharing this experience with you, as like a digital nomad of some kind. And when I have my studio, all fixed, and my computer, have something like that there, and everything I need for my illustrations, I will be sharing how it is to really go nomad and having a shop as well, which is something I'm looking forward to doing. But anyway, yeah, I said we've been featured in Fox News, in ABC, NBC News, Star Tribune, Daily Herald in Chicago, Wall Street Select, Investor Place, and Ask.com and everywhere. So I'm quite shocked and thrilled by this. And it's all to you. As I said, this wouldn't be possible without you all crafties. So big love to you, yeah, like this. And for those of you who have been around for a long time, following me from the start, you can imagine this big jump that has been for the last year. And I'm totally grateful for all of you and every one of you that has been part of this journey. And I hope from my heart that you enjoyed this new collection as well. And if you have any questions about anything regarding the products, how to use them, uh, what you do with them, file types, problems, downloading stuff or anything like that, I'm always here on social media. And I try to amp it up now as well these last couple of months, just so that we can find more crafties and connect with more people around the world. And it's a fantastic thing. So I'm always, not always, but often online. So just shoot me a message or something if you have any questions or need help with inspiration, how to start a shop, what to do, anything. Just let me know, so maybe I can help you with that. And the last thing here on my little agenda, if you have no questions, just shoot questions here, in the comments. So I can, give you answers straight away. And if you're watching me on my replay, then you can, of course, leave a comment below as well and ask questions. But the thing is, now I have like 2 available spots for custom orders for this month in February, from now to say February, something like that, depending on which kind of custom orders that are coming in, of course. If there are huge things like book illustrations or something like that, maybe there will be just one. So you understand. But you can go to the custom order page and hit that green button, because now it's green, and you can shoot me an email and just tell me what you're interested in or need help with or anything like that, and I can give you a rate and some estimate what your project is about to cost you, so always know that before you start doing anything. So you can just ask, so it's no biggie. And yeah, I think it was about this today. I have so much to do today. I don't know how this everything swamped on me, but I think it's always like this with new collections. There so many things to do and so many emails to reply to, and yeah, checking the site and checking all the other platforms I'm selling on as well on internet, because I sell also on Creative Market, Design Bundles, Creative Fabrica, and yeah, Etsy. Oh, almost forgot Etsy. So there are many shops I have to take care of now when it's the collection is new and everything, but I always have time for you. So please shoot me a message if you are interested in anything custom, or if you have any questions, or just want to let me know what you think about the collection. I love to hear your opinions and your thoughts about this. So, oh, I've been talking like I don't know, tank. But I'm quite hyped, you know. It's so fun. This is the best days of Wallifyer, you know, and when there are new collections, and just yeah, it's exciting, you know. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I know there are delays here on Facebook as always. The last time I catched your comments like 5 minutes after I closed the chat window and the live session. So yeah, but I don't guess you have any more questions then. I will schedule an ordinary live on Wednesday as well, and I will come up with some fun topic about this. And if you have any suggestions, as always, let me know if there is anything you want me to discuss or babble about, or want to know more about, or anything like that. Just let me know. So yeah. Okay, crafties. See you soon. Bye bye.